Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering parts and making the first electrical connections. Mount the Neo 6M to the Nano RX/TX via a 3V TTL interface and common ground. Power the GSM module from the LiPo through a proper regulator. Once done, connect GPS TX to Nano RX and GPS RX to Nano TX using level shifting as needed. Make sure antennae are attached and the SIM is active. These initial wiring choices prevent brownouts and corrupted serial data. Now you move to code and configuration. Install Tiny GPS Plus and a robust serial library, then set up 2 serial ports, one for GPS, one for GSM. Once configured, parse enemy sentences for latitude, longitude, and fix age. Filter stale fixes by timestamp. Implement a simple state machine. Power on GSM, obtain network, send location via SMS or HTTP post, then sleep modules to save battery. Make sure to handle retries and parse error states to avoid sending garbage position. Finish by assembling the hardware into a compact enclosure with accessible charging and a clear antenna path. Once assembled, power up outdoors and watch serial output for a valid fix. Expect 3 to 10 minutes on the first cold start. Then validate transmission. Receive SMS or server coordinates and compare on a map. If things go wrong, first check power stability and voltage drop under GSM transmit. Next, confirm SIM network registration and matching baud rates. Make incremental fixes and retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.